I'm gonna call y'all later. I'm in this trade. I'm gonna focus on it.
Good. Good luck.
I look crazy. I'm gonna just walk away for a second. Now that was US30 was the cleaner move. It was a cleaner move. I knew I should have waited for this setup, but it's okay. I was not gonna take 2 trades at one time. I just didn't want to do that. But this was the cleaner move. Very clean. It damn, that's like zero drawdown. Great risk to reward. I mean, this is a good risk to reward too, but just the reward is just like awkward. Let me see. Because, you know, I mean, we can get a quick 2.5% gain, but US30 was a solid 3%. Solid 3, easy 3. Once they hit take profit. It's okay though. We still gonna take it. This game is so. Re-entry. It's crazy. Like every time I know it's gonna hit the take profit, it like shoots to the take profit, and that's why I was like, let me just cancel my take profit and just close it. I should have closed it after that candle closed. Still made $1,200 for the day. Still made 1,200. I definitely want to secure. I definitely wanted to secure that second position just because it should have been here or even right here, and I got in a little bit late. So NAS and US30 loves a good pullback. Let me see what US30 doing. So US30 would have gave me a little bit of a hard time too. Like this would be my entry. Like I marked off in the beginning, but it was a better risk to reward. I mean, this was a 1 or 2 so far. It went to about, it was just US30 was a solid setup. NAS was decent too. That's why I took it, but you got a good move. So I'll explain why I took this NAS sell here. So that was a good move too, but I completely did not see this. So price went to retest these previous highs, and then we got a break of structure here. And then I entered in on that pullback. And I took that to this previous area of resistance looking left, all right? I took it to that area. Of course, in that area is going to get me a pullback. Once it pulled back, it then broke structure again. This was structure here, here, and here. It broke structure, it pulled back. It was consolidating a little bit. I don't like when it does that because when it's consolidating, it can break structure to the up or down side. But since we already have this bearish momentum, I was still comfortable staying in this sell. And we were still respecting structure. It still did not break higher than these highs anyway. Right. So respected these highs and disrespected these lows by breaking below it and then pull back, and we got our entry around here, which was more of an aggressive entry. And then the reason why I re-entered and I didn't stay in it long, as you saw, I only got, let me see, I only made $172 off the re-entry. It would have been like 600 if I would have held it, but a win is a win. So I re-entered because I did see it pull back. Some people would have got scared of this pullback, but I know it's just it's inevitable. It has to happen at some point when we're breaking below structure. So it pulled back. I did get that re-entry, and ideally taking it down to these previous lows. I did that as my take profit because we have price hit this area here, price hit this area here. It's a good area of resistance and support on a higher time frame. So I took that as my take profit 1. This can be a good TP2 if it keeps going down. Ideally, I was pushing for a 1 and 3, but I've learned you cannot force the market to do what you want. Because as you guys saw, like my take profit was here, which it may hit it, but I'm happy I'm out the trade because it was just a freaking mess. But you don't push the market to do what you want it to do. Do what it's telling you it wants to do. So 1 and 3 would have been nice, but the 1 and 2.5 was, where structure was held. So that's where I'm going to take my profit at. Another reason why I also closed this re-entry is because it was more of a 1-on-1, and my minimum take profit, like my minimum rewards are 1 and 2s. So I was kind of going against my own risk management plan by taking this trade. So that was a no-go. So that's why I honestly closed it a little bit early, because if that was a loss, I would have been mad at myself. Because I know it's a 1-on-1 and not at least at minimum 1 and 2. That was this trade for today. I'm going to keep posting more often. I didn't want to post a lot of technicals. I wanted to do more psychology, but we're here. But I'll definitely get more into my psychology bag as well. Thanks for tuning in. Bye, guys.